Mapapansin niyo mga kabansa, na wala na sa sariling katinuan. Ha? Can you imagine? Hindi niya alam yung reenacted budget. Ang gusto raw ng natin ay shutdown ng government. Aba, nasaan yung talinong pinakita niya sa amin nung sinusuportahan namin siya sa protesta niya sa Comelec? Ha? Nawala ho. Ibang-iba ito eh. Parang may sapi, no? Parang nasapian lang kung ano. Wala na hong institutional memory itong presidente natin. This president and his family is in a state of panic. Desperado na ho sila dahil miski na anong gawin nila, it seems they can no longer win the hearts and minds of the Filipino. And this is not because of any force destabilizing them. They have succeeded in destabilizing their own rule because of their corruption, because of their abuse, and because of their malgovernance. Yan ho, wala na hong institutional memory akong makita rito
Opo.
kay Bongbong Marcos Jr.